The M1 Abrams entered service in 1980, a fast, heavily armoured tank with the very latest technologies to give it every advantage on the battlefield. First seen action in Operation Desert Storm, the plain, arid camouflage tank gained a reputation quickly in the barren deserts of Saudi Arabia and Kuwait. Powered by a high-speed turbine engine, the M1 raced across this difficult terrain to liberate Kuwait from Iraqi occupation. The German-designed 120mm smoothbore cannon had longer range, more accurate fire, and more advanced ammunition. It easily dispatched the lower-tech Soviet-supplied tanks of the Iraqi army. Sometime this year, it's expected that the US will deliver a battalion of 31 M1 Abrams tanks to Ukraine to once again face off against the Soviet tanks it was designed to battle. The Ukrainian army will need training to maintain and operate these new tanks because they are like no other tank. And although this tank is over 40 years old, it's still more than capable of holding its own on the battlefield, thanks to continual modernization and forward-thinking design. This is the insane engineering of the M1 Abrams. The M1 Abrams, upon engine startup, sounds more like a military aircraft getting ready to take off. A terrifying increasing pitch as the engine revs up to speed. The whirring sound emanating from the rotating turbine blades hidden inside. The turbine engine, typically used for jet aircraft, is an engine designed for high-speed operation with minimal weight, a counterintuitive choice for a heavy battle tank. So why was it chosen? The turbine engine would give the M1 two huge advantages. They are much lighter than an equivalent diesel engine, weighing just 1.1 tons and developing 1,500 brake horsepower. The V12 diesel engine of the Challenger 2 produces 1,200 brake horsepower with 2 tons of metal. This compactness and extreme high power to weight ratio allows the M1 to stack on layers of armour without sacrificing acceleration or top speed. We can plot torque versus shaft speed of the Honeywell AGT 1500 turbine engine of the M1 against the V12 MTU 883 of the Challenger 2E, and we can see the turbine has a massive torque advantage at lower shaft speeds. In its lightest configuration, the M1 weighs 61.8 tons. A typical Toyota Corolla weighs 1.1 ton. That's equivalent to 56 Toyota Corollas.